Welcome back to our second video. Today we are diving right back in and fixing more common English mistakes that trip up almost everyone. If you want to speak more naturally, let's fix them right now. Let's start with social media. Every day on WhatsApp you send moving image clips to your friends. Do you call it GIF? No, say GIF. Say it with the J sound, GIF. When things get crazy online or in real life, we say there is a total chaos. It is pronounced chaos, not chaos. The traffic today was pure chaos. Speaking of social media, please do not scroll through internet memes. Say meme. Share this funny meme. It's just one single smooth syllable. Meme. When you type your thoughts under a video, do you leave a comment? No. Say comment, not comment, comment. Leave a comment below. At the end of a nice meal, you order something sweet. Be careful. If you say it dessert, no. Desert is a dry, sandy wasteland like the Sahara. The sweet dish turns into a soft Z. It's dessert. Dessert, not desert. Dessert. When you go shopping at a supermarket, you look for items in a specific aisle? No, say aisle. The A and S are completely silent. It's aisle. When buying vegetables, please don't ask the shopkeeper for a cucumber. It's cucumber. Cucumber, not cucumber. Put some cucumber in the salad. When you go to a wedding or a big hotel with unlimited food, you eat at the buffet? No, the T is completely silent. It is pronounced buffet. Buffet. Now, let's talk about hidden letters. When there is a tiny hidden change in something, we say it is a subtle difference. The B is completely silent. It is pronounced subtle. Subtle. There is a subtle hint of spice in this food. When you talk about your favorite type of movies, do you ask someone what genre they like? No, it's genre. Say genre. My favorite movie genre is horror. When you go to a government office or a court for paperwork, you need an affidavit? No, say affidavit. Before going to an interview, you make sure to iron your clothes. The R is completely silent in standard English. It's iron. Say iron. I need to iron my shirt. During wedding and festive seasons, families go out to buy heavy gold jewelries? No, say jewelry. Jewelry. She bought new gold jewelry. If a lemon or a green mango is highly acidic, you say it tastes sour. No, it is pronounced as sour. Sour. This lime is very sour. Spoken English is all about making sure your thoughts flow smoothly without any speed bumps. Correcting these massive traps will completely transform how professional you sound. What was your score out of these? Be completely honest in the comments below. If you want a part 3, let me know. Hit that like button, subscribe for more daily confidence boost, and I'll see you in the next one.